afternoon, everybody. Well, I think Uma has said most of it. Venkat and me come a long way. I've known him much before I even entered the film industry. It's been about, I would say, 12, 13 years now. He's probably seen me at my ugliest best and also what I would like to say is my best. So he's probably the only photographer I'm really comfortable with. So, I mean, I'm thinking people have started thinking of us as a package deal because he's done my first ad and then my first film and so many films after that till my recent release. So I would just like to take this opportunity to thank him for everything, for making me look good so far. And well, about the calendar, I must say I've always thought Venkat should go ahead and do something like this because it's something very new for Chennai. And I loved the concept when he explained it to me, the whole vintage cars and 6 actors and 6 actresses. So well, it's come out really well, and I think it's looking very nice and sexy, something which Chennai hasn't really seen. So well, Venkat, wherever you are, all the best and good luck to you. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I almost said good evening. Good afternoon, everybody. It's a pleasure being here this afternoon. எல்லாரும் இங்கே வந்திருக்காங்க இந்த கேலண்டர் ரிலீஸ்க்காக லான்ச்க்காக. I thank Mani sir, Trisha, Radhika, Uday, MS Guhan who's hiding behind far away and lots of other friends and press who've come here. This whole concept of vintage cars and cars வந்து நான் AVMல ஷூட் பண்ணும்போது குஹன் சாரை போய் பார்ப்பேன் அப்பப்போ. அவரோட vintage collections போய் அப்பப்போ பார்ப்பேன். And what was interesting is the kind of interest they have in putting back the glory to the car, which has been such a disastrous state, from every bit and pieces, from nuts and bolts to get back to the original shape it was way back in 1929. So under or interest, I have not been exposed to it before, but slowly I got to know a lot about vintage cars through him and a couple of other friends of his from the Vintage Club. And the cars பார்க்கும்போது I had an idea, why not do a calendar last year? அவர் தான் சொன்னார், you should go ahead and do it. So அப்போ that idea started. But the best thing is to get the stars to do this calendar. I thought that was a very difficult task. But what happened was ஒரு anticlimax மாதிரி. Most of them வந்து ரொம்ப cooperate பண்ணாங்க. In fact, they were very ready. Come forward and cooperate for the shoot. But what was difficult was the vintage car owners to let go their car for a shoot. Vikram was ready to come, Trisha was there, but the car wouldn't come, you know. So basically what I'm trying to say is அவங்களோட interest in cars is so much that they just won't let go. Even one drop of water, அவங்க ஒரு துணி எடுத்து அதை திரும்பி தொடச்சி திரும்பி அதை ஷைன் பண்ணி வச்சு அழகாக வச்சிருக்கோம். In fact, some of them said, this is my first wife. அவங்க ஒய்ஃபை பார்த்து அவங்க தான் என்னோட செகண்ட் ஒய்ஃப் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிற சில விண்டேஜ் கார் கலெக்டர்ஸ் இருக்காங்க. ஸோ பேசிக்லி வாட் வி டு திஸ், வி காட் வெரி குட் டிசைனர்ஸ் ஃப்ரம் சென்னை, Chaitanya Rao, Deepa Noor, we had Sydney and all of them are here, thanks to them, and Falguni from Bombay. எல்லோரும் வந்து ஒவ்வொரு ஸ்டாருக்கும் எந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஸ்டைலிங் பொருத்தமாக இருக்கும் அண்ட் எந்த கார் சூட் ஆகும் அவங்களுக்கு அந்த மாதிரி, ப்ளஸ் அந்த கார் அவைலபிளாக இருக்கணும் அந்த நாளுக்கு. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி பல விதமான ஒரு 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 டிஃப்ரெண்ட் பாயிண்ட்ஸை ஒன்றா எடுத்துன்னு வரது ரொம்ப கஷ்டமான வேலை. பட் ஐ மேனேஜ்ட் அண்ட் தேங்க்ஸ் டு ஆல் த பீப்புள் ஹெல்ப் மீ இன் திஸ். And the other reason is to thank is my team here, my photography assistants who worked very hard for this calendar, all of them. And the most interesting thing is Mr. Nag from Hyderabad. In fact, I was doing an ad avaroda. நானும் இந்த காலண்டரில் இருக்கணும் அப்படின்னு சொன்னார். ஸோ உடனே I made sure we got a lovely vintage car in Hyderabad and we shot it. It came out really good. It's a Chevy. So the support from all of them, and then what was interesting is the weather. November 10th Vikram avaroda start panna shoot started with rains. So till I completed the shoot, every day we put the car, plan for the shoot, munna naal irundhu it will start raining, there will be a depression. So at one point of stage I thought, in fact, shoot பண்ணும்போது when there's rain we'll say cancel the shoot, we'll get back. But what happened was மழை பெஞ்சாலும் சரி இல்லை அது வெயிலாக இருந்தாலும் சரி, let's shoot. But what was nice is on the Mara Payar, I got some very interesting lighting. Because of the cloudy weather, the color of the cars came out very rich and nice. In fact, backgrounds are rumba araga, rumba green, rumba araga. So it added to the quality of the picture. So I won't go on with this, and the most important thing right now is to launch the calendar. And I thank everyone who have come here today, and I hope you really like the calendar. Thank you.